get all that rainwater and storage of fine sand and cement. Just let it out of the way. This is the reality of living in the province. Hello, beautiful people. Good morning. Dzień dobry. How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing. I am greeting you here outside at Papa's garden because today I decided we are going to check out if there is any progress or any update for Papa's vegetable garden. I cannot recall when was the last time that I was able to update you guys, but anyway, we do have okra, ladyfingers, and then we have string beans or the long beans. I think they are the same. I saw a comment about it if long beans or string beans are the same. I think they're the same, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how does it look now. You know what? It is yet again very hot today. I feel like it's 40 degrees Celsius. It's a good thing though that I have this little tree that is giving me some shade, or else it's gonna be really hot. This is Jubilina tree, guys, which is surviving. So anyway, let's take a look. What is the progress? I can actually see from here that the okra is bearing some veggies now, so let me show you. Oh, look at that. So the string beans doesn't have any vegetables yet, but I think it is slowly sprouting. I can see that there are some small ones that are having some very little veggie. So this is how the string beans is looking, guys. So Papa put the straw so that the string beans has something to hold on to, and the back of that is actually the okra. So let's go over there very quickly because it is super duper hot, guys. Okay, so where's the okra? So the okra is here, guys. Look how hot it is. The leaves are looking sad, but you guys can see here it has veggies now. That's the one. Oh, we have big ones already. We have to get them, you know, for okra. You cannot leave them old because you cannot eat them anymore. See? I think we can harvest some okra, guys. Look, we have here. We have quite a lot, guys. It is actually bearing some veggies now. That's very good. So that's the okra, guys. The string beans doesn't have any veggies yet. I'm back here in the house. Wow, that was very hot. My head feels so hot right now. Wow, this heat is insane, you know? This makes me really want to go back to Baguio, the summer capital of the Philippines. I think that's the reason why they call Baguio as the summer capital, because in the Philippines, when it's April and May, it's too hot, so everybody just goes to Baguio to cool down. The temperature there is very nice. Oh, I miss Baguio. I'd love to come back there. It's a very nice place. I think a lot of people goes there during summer actually. And little Panda here is having a great time napping. Panda, look at this boy. He's been staying here, which is I do really like, so that he's not gonna be in the heat. Panda. Such a good boy you are. He was waiting for me here in the morning. So I gave him some treat and his food as well. You sleeping, Panda Boo? Panda. Panda. You sleeping?
Never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back. While I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow old.
made myself an apple carrot salad. I super love this one. It's so refreshing. It's very healthy as well. And I'm going to eat this in the bedroom because I turn on the AC. Even if I put the electric fan at number 3, guys, it is still very hot here in the living area. Look, 33.7 degrees Celsius. Even looking at outside, oh, look how hot it is. If I touch the window, it is super hot. Ay, what is going on? Okay, so we're gonna stay in the bedroom, guys. I put the AC on. Oh, it is very cool. Let's eat here. Oh, this is heaven. It's at 18 degrees here. See, I put it at 18. We're just gonna eat here. And then I'm gonna reply to the comments, guys. I'm actually waiting for something to be delivered. So while waiting, I'm gonna eat my salad and then I'm gonna read the comments. I'm gonna reply the comments here in the bedroom because outside is too hot. It's unbearable.
Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know.
Be sharing with you another set of materials that I have added for mommy's house renovation. Now, we actually do have a problem, okay? Because my uncle is so in demand and he is actually still working on something. So he is not able to start here in mommy's house. So we're not doing the tiles yet. And I know that some of you guys have actually shared that it is better to do the rendering of the walls first before doing the tiles so that the tiles wouldn't get dirty. And yes, that's actually a very good idea so that we don't need to scrape or clean the tiles. I know it can get really messy, especially working on cement and fine sand. So that's what we're gonna do first. And since my uncle still is working on something, we're gonna have to ask another people that can work on mommy's rendering for the walls. So we're gonna do the walls first, but today we're not starting because the fine sand has just been delivered. So as you guys can see over here, this is the fine sand that we have ordered today. They just delivered it, guys. And this is a mini multi-cab size for the fine sand. And guys, it's actually not a lot. How much is this? This is 1,800 pesos. And as you guys can see, it's not gonna be enough for mommy's walls rendering. So for the rendering, we're gonna be using a combination of fine sand and cement. Obviously, we have to add more fine sand, and we're gonna have to order maybe the big truck, which is gonna cost around 6,000 pesos. So the truck that you guys have seen earlier, that was the size for the 6,000 pesos, guys. The 1,800, look at this. This is the only fine sand, and obviously it's not gonna be enough. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the rendering of the house, and then aside from that, guys, I'm gonna share to you also, since it is very hot. Actually, I have been complaining. I know that you guys will get sick of me saying how hot it is in the countryside, but that's gonna be my line, okay, all throughout summer. Look at here, I have actually ordered another set of blue barrel. I know a lot of you guys have been recommending me to get all of these so that when it rains, then we can, you know, get all that rainwater and store it here. And now that we don't have a lot of water, then we can use it. So I just got it. So this one blue barrel costs 1,800 pesos. I decided to get two since we have a lot of plants in the house. We badly need to have water. So I have seen a lot of people queuing by the road buying water. I don't want to think of us doing that, but we still have running water from Leia's house, though it's not consistent, but at least it can fill up the water tank. But also for the plants that we have here, I really want to make sure they will survive throughout summer. So summer in the Philippines is April and May. That's the hottest. By June we can have rain already. So yeah, I decided to get these, and they've actually did not open this one, guys. Look, like the bottom also is not open, so we're gonna have to ask Atan to do like circle to remove this top so that we can fill in the water. Yeah, you know what, the last time that I purchased the blue barrel, it was like 1,200 pesos or something. So now how many years later, it is now expensive. It's 1,800 pesos, guys. So yeah, we're gonna bring this one, guys, to the house, and then let's see if there is, yeah, see here, the bottom also doesn't have a hole. So we're gonna bring this, I cannot carry this one, no? It's actually not too bad. So we're gonna bring this to the house, guys, and I'm gonna ask you where is the best place to put this. I think I'm gonna put this where the balcony is, just in the outside, so that when I fill it up with the running water, I can just get water from here and I can water the plants. So let's do that. Let's bring this one. Let's see if I can carry this. Look, it's actually not too heavy. Let's go ahead and bring this blue barrel. I think this is the best way to do it. I'll just roll it. See, it's not heavy at all. Oh, the dogs are so loud. What are you guys doing? Or I just do it like this. Oh, see? This is it. This is the reality of living in the province. You have to get the barrel in order to save some water, guys. Okay. See? Look at the bottom. It doesn't have any hole in there. So I'm gonna put this where the balcony is, actually here in this area. Wait, we have to make sure that the plants are okay. So I'm gonna transfer this one here for now so we can easily carry this one. Oh, tada. Oh my goodness. Right, I'm gonna put it right here. Look, in this section. So it's not gonna be in the way and it will be okay here. That was okay. So I'm gonna put it right here, guys, so that whenever I water the plants here in the balcony, there outside of the house, in front of the house, I can just get water from here, and yeah, it will be easier. So this one is wobbly. Well, I'll have to ask Atan, you know, to like make a hole so that we can put the water in here. So yeah, at least I have water now. And also the other blue barrel, guys, I'm gonna be leaving it at mom's house so that she can fill it in with water and they can use it to do the rendering. Mom has one water tank and one blue barrel as well, so at least she can have two blue barrel that the workers can use for the rendering. It needs a lot of water, you know, because you have to mix the fine sand and the cement as well. So that was Crazy. See, now it's not too hot. This is a good weather now. But later on, it's gonna be super hot again. Okay, so we're gonna have to get a shovel, guys, because mom's getting it. Because we have to put the fine sand out of the way since it's actually in the driveway. The driver was not very good. He could not do it. I don't know why. Look, mom's just gonna put it on the side because when I drive, then where can I go? There's no place. So, oh, very dusty. Just let it out of the way, the driveway. There you go. I don't know what time is it now, but I was working on something on my computer earlier and I lost track of time. I'm so hungry now. I didn't have any lunch. I think it's 3 p.m. So I'm gonna be making this is gonna be lunch and dinner. Oy, agay. So I'm gonna make ginaling, guys. That's ground pork with carrots and potatoes. So I have here my carrots, I have here my potatoes. They're ready to go. And then my ground pork is here. I'm doing this fast because I am still going to edit the video for you guys tonight. And I'm so hungry as well. This usually happens, you know, whenever I'm just alone here in the house and I have no one else to feed or to cook for. So I just like do something and I just forget to eat. But then when I'm super hungry, that's when, okay, I can no longer ignore my tummy. It's asking for food. So that's when I cook. And then I starve myself most of the time.